Gentlemen, let me ask you directly. Have you ever wished you could last longer, stay in control, and enjoy intimacy without the fear of finishing too soon? You're not alone. Millions of men face this exact issue, but most suffer in silence. Many think it's just aging or just stress. But the truth is, your body is sending signals. Nerves, blood flow, and muscles are not working in harmony anymore, and that imbalance makes control harder. Pills and quick tricks may cover the problem for a while, but they don't fix it. What if the real solution was natural, safe, and already within your reach? Imagine being able to calm your nerves, relax hidden muscle tension, and improve circulation simply by applying a natural oil before intimacy. No chemicals, no risky side effects, just your body working with you instead of against you. In this video, I'm going to share the 4 most powerful natural oils that can restore control, explain how they work, and show you exactly how to use them for lasting confidence. Before we go deeper, please subscribe and watch until the very end, because what you'll discover today could change not only your performance, but your confidence as a man. Why control slips with age? Let's talk about why control fades over time. 3 main reasons: oversensitive nerves, tense pelvic muscles, and weaker circulation. As you age, nerves in the pelvic region fire too quickly, rushing you toward the finish line. At the same time, the pelvic floor muscles, deep muscles that sit beneath your body, hold hidden tension. That tightness restricts blood flow and creates edgy sensations you can't fully control. And then there's circulation. Blood vessels become less flexible, making it harder for rich, oxygen-filled blood to flow smoothly. Put these 3 together, and you get urgency, weaker firmness, and faster finishes. The key isn't to numb your body or trick it. It's to restore balance. This is where natural oils come in. They're not just slippery helpers. They actually interact with your tissues, calming nerves, loosening tight muscles, and fueling better blood flow. Used consistently, they don't just make intimacy more comfortable. They retrain your body to respond differently. Castor oil, the heavyweight. The first oil is castor oil, the heavyweight of calm. Unlike lighter oils, castor oil is thick, rich, and deeply therapeutic. Its key compound, ricinoleic acid, penetrates deep into muscle layers and small vessels when massaged into the perineum, the area between the scrotum and anus. The effects are layered. It relaxes pelvic floor tension, calms oversensitive nerves, and encourages blood vessels to open. The result is warmth, grounded steadiness, and control instead of urgency. Many men describe it as the first time their body actually cooperated with them instead of rushing against them. With regular use, castor oil retrains the body to hold firmness with less anxiety and less urgency. If you've struggled with feeling like your body is sprinting toward the finish line, castor oil is your anchor. It's not just a lubricant, it's therapy in a bottle. Now let's compare coconut oil and olive oil. Coconut oil is the cushion. It's light, smooth, and silky, forming a soft protective layer on the skin. If hypersensitivity is your biggest challenge, where every touch feels too much too soon, coconut oil takes the edge off. It cushions nerve endings, smooths out sharp sensations, and hydrates delicate skin. Olive oil, on the other hand, is the circulation booster. Rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, olive oil keeps blood vessels elastic and nourished. Why does that matter? Because firmer erections rely on vessels being able to widen quickly and hold blood. If they're stiff, performance suffers. Olive oil restores flexibility, supporting steady blood flow and smoother recovery. For beginners, olive oil is safe, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Together, coconut and olive oils bring balance. Coconut softens intensity, while olive fuels firmness. Finally, almond oil, the everyday calmer. Almond oil is light, silky, and fast absorbing, making it perfect for regular use. Its secret is the way it soothes nerve endings. Packed with vitamin E and magnesium, it relaxes overactive signals and helps restore balance. For men who often feel too ready too quickly, almond oil quiets the nerves, giving you more control. And unlike heavier oils, almond absorbs quickly, leaving skin nourished without stickiness. Many men who adopt almond oil into their routine notice not just better stamina, but also a sense of relaxation that carries through intimacy. It's not about numbing, you'll still feel everything, but the sensation becomes steady, not overwhelming. If castor is therapy, coconut the cushion, and olive the circulation booster, then almond oil is peace itself. Use it daily, and you're not only improving control, you're creating calm confidence every time. So how do you use these oils for maximum results? Start small. Wash your hands, warm a dime-sized amount of oil, and begin with the perineum. Use slow circular motions for 3 minutes, then add gentle pressure for another 2 to 3 minutes. If needed, glide a thin layer along the shaft for comfort. Pause, breathe deeply, and let the oil absorb. Done consistently, this routine retrains your nerves, relaxes your muscles, and fuels circulation. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll feel calmer, steadier, and more in control. Add simple boosters. Stay hydrated, stretch your hips, and avoid sitting too long, and you'll multiply the results. Gentlemen, this isn't about gimmicks or tricks. It's about giving your body natural support so you can enjoy intimacy without fear. Castor for grounding, coconut for cushioning, olive for flow, almond for calm. Pick one oil, commit for 30 days, and watch the difference. If this helped you, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs it. Confidence, control, and connection are not gone. You can restore them naturally starting today.